Whole Safety has over 60 years of experience in the safety protection products industry, specializing in providing high-quality PPE protective products for workers and offering comprehensive safety protection solutions for businesses and individuals. As a member of the EU protection standards, Whole Safety is one of the leading global suppliers in the personal protective equipment (PPE) field. The company has offices in Shanghai, Verona, and London. Founded in 1960, Whole Safety's product range covers various protection areas, including body protection, head and face protection, hearing protection, respiratory protection, hand protection, foot protection, and fall protection. We strictly adhere to the highest global safety standards to provide our customers with high-quality and reliable personal protective equipment. Our products are widely used in industries such as petrochemicals, power communications, construction engineering, railway construction, and fire rescue. Additionally, we provide customized services for the military, police, nuclear power, and aerospace sectors. Whole Safety is a comprehensive technology enterprise that integrates development, design, sales, logistics, distribution, and brand promotion. Our production base in China is located in Pingli County, Ankang City, Shaanxi Province. It is equipped with advanced production facilities and a strong R&D team, continually innovating to launch products that meet the latest safety requirements. We also provide professional technical support and after-sales services to ensure our products are safe and convenient to use. We strictly follow ISO 9001 quality management systems and SA 8000 standards with an annual production capacity of hundreds of thousands of workwear sets. We advocate a people-oriented, environmentally friendly, sustainable development philosophy with the goal of providing better production for workers worldwide. We produce high-quality, safety, environmentally friendly, healthy, and comfortable protective products. Upholding the principle of quality first, reputation supreme, we utilize leading technology, strict management, and a responsible approach to provide one-stop personal protection solutions.